So this is how we do. Probably half our time on our phone, 10% doing the actual work.
This bike from somebody who laid it down on a dirt road. So he basically laid it down on the right side, messed up the frame sliders, the bearings, the rear set, the clip-on I had to replace. I'm like, he did this! It had the green stock fairings on it, so that's why we wrapped it in counter wrap. This is from Walmart. It's in the kitchen aisle. Pretty much wrapped the tank, tail fairing, these side panels. This whole thing is Gorilla glued together and wrapped. My windscreen is just hanging on, I hope. So today's task is to replace the mirrors. These are stock mirrors from Freddie's new bike. When he replaced them with the bar end mirrors, he took these off and saved them. And those are the benefits of riding the same bike. I prefer the bunny ears over the bar end, not cosmetically, but for function, because I see best with these. Fun fact, I put these mirrors, or this style of mirror, from the newer 636s on my 08 ZX6R, and we were able to make it fit. So if you hate the circle ones as much as I did, you could probably try to make it fit. We're also going to replace the throttle tube. I'm also going to be applying the throttle tube like in a makeup tutorial. Motionpro.com, right? 10 bucks. Pro grip. I'm putting new grips on.
Yeah, we're doing the grips. Let's go.
I just realized what this looks like. Never mind. Cut.
There is a difference. The stock one has a little bit more play. The replacement doesn't, so it's more responsive.
And then we've put the new grip onto the new throttle tube. This is the old shitty ones. Right now I have LED, we're putting HIDs. I have HIDs, we're putting LEDs.
You have stock halogen bulbs.
I have no idea what kind of headlights are in there. We're putting LEDs.
I put this LED.
You said, oh, okay.
I mean, we don't have two, but at least for her running one. What the fuck? God damn it. Not doing the running time.
Okay, we'll be back. You can see me. And if we're not killing each other by the end of this, we're gonna attempt to put on this one finger clutch by Impetech. Okay. If I can even pull on it with one finger or not. I think I could. Okay, if not, then I gotta undo it. So this is what I'm dealing with now. Pretty much use my whole hand to pull it in. Out of habit, I started lifting on my pinky. So it's uncomfortable, so I'm gonna try this one.
Feels good?
Yeah, just have to get used to it. So we replaced my mirrors, Sugarloaf ride, my GoPro started to slide off, so I couldn't record the whole ride. We added this one finger clutch, and this is from Impetech, but one finger also has one too. It's green, mind your business. I feel like we did something else. Oh, the headlight.
Yeah.
See it?
It's white.
Versus this.
Versus the yellow. It looks like a damn wolf.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Completely forgot about it. What took forever.
How do you feel the grips?
Good. So we put the new grips on, the new throttle tube.
That feel better?
Yeah.